with sustainability and design, we have to make sure that we meet the ADA standards. So ADA standard stands for the Americans with Disabilities Act, and it is governed by the American Access Board, which is obviously a government organization. I'm sorry. I did go to the ADA or the American Access Board website to find this information, and I have them all listed. But basically, the American with Disabilities Act is responsible for making sure that all new facilities that are being constructed are up to par and everything is accessible to those that may have issues moving or just really any disabilities at all. So I said new facilities, but I also mean facilities that may be being renovated or altered like ours is. So obviously we're constructing a new building, but we are adding some features to old setups. So we have to make sure that everything's up to par. It is 2020. Everybody needs to be able to have the same chances. So that means, our bathrooms have handicap accessible stalls, our drinking fountains are accessible. They have a clear pathway to get to and from wherever point in the stadium they need. So obviously somebody that's in a wheelchair is not going to be able to get up to the very top of the bleachers. So we need to make sure that we have a designated area for them at the bottom. And we're also going to have a ramp that goes up those bleachers so they can get up there. But yeah, these are pretty enforceable, obviously. You have to make sure that these types of arrangements are made in commercial facilities, state and local and government facilities. And these are just the ones that I found. I may be missing some, but I think for the most part, I covered my bases here.